we're going up the mountain now. Ooh. But this looks like a parking lot. Or maybe this was the LZ, because it's flatter.
Yeah. Must be hard to tell. And I always thought his house was higher than the LZ was. But I don't know, but I know this trail right here, I've walked down it and it doesn't go nowhere.
Hey, look at this! Rick! It's got an H.
So this is it right here.
There's an H on the ground, an old H. What the fuck does it say? UH1H it says. UH1H right here.
Oh yeah. So that must have been a parking lot.
And here's the circle. Here's what's left of the white circle.
That's right. So the stairway was right here.
So his house must have been up there, right?
Either, I'm trying to remember, either his house was next to, it might have been below, it might have been a little bit below the landing pad.
Yeah.
So his house might have been down on this stairway.
There must be another H up here too. Maybe right here. I don't know, Huey's got pretty long blades.
Well, maybe that other one might, but you'd think the paint would be on the ground still. It's amazing the paint stays. Yeah, see, here's some here.
Yeah, it looks like it. But it's kind of close to that one. It's kind of too close. This looks like it's paved, yeah. Actually.
Where the hell does this go?
Probably to a big ass beehive.
Yeah, I just don't like walking through this shit because this place has fucking where the gaboon vipers, and they hide in leaf debris.
It's enough for me. This place is still fatal.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this is paved. Asphalt.
I wonder what the hell is this part of the circle right here?
5 more years, this place will all be trees.
Anything that we left, they took. Shit, I rode right over this and didn't even see it. You know, this thing could be twice as big as what we're seeing.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, this is all that's left. Because a Huey is, I don't know, 20 feet long?
Yeah.
And the blades extend past the tail rotor, I think.
So...
Oh no, maybe almost out to the tail rotor.
So this probably is just part of it.
Beautiful up here though. Beautiful mountains.